I'm in Prickly Bay, Grenada, and it's the 26th of May today. Quite windy, as it should be. I am preparing to pick up the anchor and leave, actually, and hopefully land in the ABC Islands somewhere, Curacao or Aruba, I don't know yet. But it's, I think it's gonna be a crossing of 450 nautical miles, so between 3 and 4 days, I hope. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare and leave and set sails, and maybe I'll talk to you later. Bye for now. I need to help the anchor lash a little bit. So we're on our way. I put a waypoint so we go well clear of the islands outside Venezuela. You never know with the fishermen there, or if it's piracy. So we have 160 nautical miles to the next waypoint, and we're making around 6-7 knots right now. It's a good wind, nice following seas. And yeah, it feels good to be out again and on my way. Third reef in the main, and almost, no, not full Genoa, maybe one reef in the Genoa. We'll start out like this and see what happens. And I baked the bread during the takeoff here, so I'm gonna have some brunch breakfast now. Been on the way for 3 hours now. The wind died down a lot, and of course I have it like almost straight from behind, so it's hard to get the wind in the Genoa in a nice way. So right now I'm trying it, like I took almost all the mainsail down, just have some up for stability, and it works kind of good. If it wasn't for the cross sea we right now have, it's like they go like this. Apparently I am straight above a very shallow part before it goes down to 3,000 meters. So maybe in a couple of hours it will be really nice sailing. Not that it isn't now. I mean, it's great. It's lovely to be out again, and we're making like 5-6 knots anyway, so it's good. Yeah, I found a book in Curacao, Jens Lapidus' Viprummet. It's an old book, I never read it, but I was kind of lucky. There was a big shelf, and there was one in Swedish, but it's fine with English too, but it's always nice. So that's what I'm gonna do for 4 days. I hope it's enough, because it's the only one I have. Yeah. I'll bob around here for a while, and I bet we see each other again. So here's a little patch of Sargassum. It's crazy amounts. We're not making much speed. We're making like 4.5-5 knots. So let's see if we actually slow down where you enter it. Wow. Oh yeah. Yep, we're slowing down. 3 knots. 3.5. Oh. I mean, look at this. so like in a couple of minutes we're out of it. I once sailed through one and there was a shoe sitting in the middle of it. Here we can see some plastics. It's just horrible. And there's something big here. I think you can't see it, but yeah, I guess it's paint or you know, so it's water bottles. Yeah. And there's a dead bird also. It's a sad sight. It's not what you want to see. I want to catch a tuna or see some dolphins today, but nope, not today. Let's hope it's better tomorrow. So it's an hour to sunset. Finally, the sea state and I got like control of the sail plan and situation. So now Alma is doing great and it's very comfortable. It's such a nice sail. We're making around 6.5 knots right now. It's beautiful. The wind is 22 knots, so it's perfect. So let's hope it stays like this during the night, because I really don't want to reef down today. We know tomorrow if that was a dumb rookie mistake, or not rookie, but a mistake. Yeah, not much to say otherwise. It's yeah, life is good. So by 9 o'clock I think I'm gonna start my routine and napping for all what it's worth. But I think maybe I can nap a little longer, because this sea is empty. There is a big shipping lane further in towards Venezuela, but they're like 40 miles in, so, and out here is nothing. So maybe I'll sleep an hour today, an hour, and then go up and check and sleep another hour. We'll see. I really thought you were gonna see me soaked, but yeah, it's I did good. So it's been a squally night. I woke up at 1:30. Alma was making 8 to 10 knots, totally overpowered, and rain showers. So and then there came one more at 3, I think. Otherwise, super nice sailing. Now it's a bit choppy again, but rolly, sorry. But yeah, there's a cloudy thing today, so we'll see what happens. It's day 2. It's really hot, and I reached my first waypoint. So I passed 160 miles, and now I'm trying to find some good sail settings for reaching down to Bonaire's north end, but it's hard with the wind, so I'm trying to yeah, you see, and it's not very easy, but it's working. We're making 5-6 knots, and yeah, it's a nice sail. It's some flogging, but I can take it. I guess it's gonna change before night, so we'll see where I am then. But right now we're steering right on point, on the target. So so that's nice. That's really good. I just made a jibe. It's still day 3. It's around 4 o'clock, and I think we have 108 miles left into Bonaire northern tip. So we'll be there in, I don't know, 17 hours maybe. I've sailed almost 300 now. I think 296 from where was it now? Grenada, sorry, Grenada. I left Prickly Bay. That's right. Yeah, everything is good. It's a really smooth sail, lovely weather, nice following seas, and 31 degrees warm. And I'm making a bread, of course. So tonight, fresh bread. Nothing more to say really. It's days float by, and I'm pretty lonely out here. I have seen one large cargo in the distance, otherwise nothing. Yeah, except for must have been the world's biggest flying fish. First I thought it was like a salmon jumping, then it flew off. Like, what is that? Oh yeah, that was, yeah, so fun. It was really big. Not on camera, of course. Pretty much dead downwind, so I just took my mainsail down, otherwise the Genoa collapses all the time, and looks like it's doing it anyway. Guess I need to take out the whisker again, but I'm lazy right now. I think the wind is gonna pick up tonight a bit, so we'll see what happens. It's a lovely sail. We've been making around 6-7 knots all night. I don't have much to add. The bread was good. Yeah, would love some company here though. It's it adds up to the adventure and to the general lovely feeling of sailing like this. But it is what it is. Good morning. I sailed 385 nautical miles now, I think, from when I left Grenada. This is morning day 3, and it's been a lovely sail so far. Even this night was a bit more windy, but perfect conditions. I slept well, making speeds around 6-7, sometimes a little bit more actually, knots. And yeah, it's just been wonderful. I see land now. It's Bonaire's northern tip, I guess. I got around 15 nautical miles left before I get there. Yeah. So just rounded the Bonaire's northern tip, and wow, the current set with us. We're making good speed, but over ground we're now making around 8 knots, and this makes it possible for me to reach Curacao before dark. That would be awesome, to get a night's rest and maybe have a chit chat with my new Belgian friends. Yeah, weather is lovely, and here behind the islands, I'd say the sea state is really nice. Look at this. Maybe a meter. Very blue and nice. And yeah, it's dead downwind, so I'm going with only the Genoa. Yeah, we can hope that I reach Curacao before dark, because the inlet to Spanish waters is very narrow and not really suitable to try to do during dark. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. So with this good speed, it's like 7-8 knots. Crazy. It's good wind. We'll be in Curacao in a couple of hours, I think. So well before dark, and I'm happy about that, because supposedly it's not very easy to enter that lagoon during dark. So it suits me perfect. Anchor up and then make some food. That would be lovely. This has been a great sail, around 440 nautical miles. Average speed has been 6 knots, and this last maybe not really, maybe around 5.7. I'm gonna check it later. But this last leg, last 24 hours, awesome. I think I made 145 nautical miles